Behind the design. Polly Morton's extension short. This client needed a custom orthotic to accommodate Hallux rigidus of the first MPJ. The aim of the orthotic was to restrict movement, while footwear modification was used for a compensatory gait pattern. The aim of this orthotic was to restrict first MPJ movement. They used the DOLA custom orthotic service. They selected Morton's Poly Short from the shell modifications section within the digital corrections available on the DOLA detailed prescription form. Key features of the Poly Morton's extension short include an extension of the polypropylene shell material under the first MPJ, crossing the first MPJ and ending proximal to the IPJ. The extension will match the width of the hallux following the anatomical flare. The polypropylene thickness of the Morton's extension will match the shell or as scripted. Orthotip. Treatment-directed testing of this orthotic variable is recommended prior to use. The aim of this modification is to restrict or brace the first MPJ function and should be only used where clinically indicated. It is used when normal function is not possible due to surgery, injury, advanced disease process, joint degeneration, or classification as Hallux rigidus. This treatment strategy is often combined with other management options, including footwear modification.